everyone, thank you for watching. So today we're opening up a new box to the channel, and this is actually for my cat. So I was kindly sent this from the company Unboxing the Bazaar. They saw my post on Instagram talking about Fiona, and I think the specific post is like Archer looking really sad, so it breaks my heart thinking about it. But they also love cats. I think the owner of this box said they have 9 cats or something like that, like goals. I wish I had 9 cats. And they wanted to send this over for Archer and Emmy. So they offer several different subscriptions. Today we're opening up the Peculiar Pet Box. It's in here. And when this arrived today, my cats knew it was for them. They're like sniffing all around it. So I have to get this open. They're really annoyed at me that I haven't done that yet. So I was just looking at their website, and it looks like they offer it for several different pets. So you like fill out a little profile, and they have 5 awesome boxes to choose from, they say. So it looks like they have the original standard holiday box, the Bizarre Bibliotheca box, I'm probably saying that wrong, sorry, the Bizarre Chic Boutique box, and the Peculiar Pet box we're opening today, and that's new. And then they also have a new Freaky Foot Coverings box. So I'm gonna link them down below. You can browse their website and learn more. Thank you again for sending this to me. You guys are so sweet. And before we get to the unboxing, just really quick, I want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here in our channel. So if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And yeah, let's get this box open. The Peculiar Pet Box. Wow, this is full of stuff. Let's see, is there a card? Yeah, there's a card right on top. So this is the September box, and it has some information here on all of the items. Oh, and it talks about some like special holidays and stuff. That's cute. And then there's another card here that says Unboxing the Bazaar, a fun-filled monthly subscription box. And many of us know about Christmas, Halloween, Easter, and even Groundhog Day, but have you ever heard of Twilight Zone Day, Hug Your Cat Day, or even Root Canal Day? There are so many causes for celebration almost every day of the year. Your Unboxing the Bazaar box comes filled with items to celebrate the wild, wacky, and just downright bizarre holidays that don't get the mainstream attention that they deserve. Sorry, I'm like stumbling over my words right now. And the holidays they talked about in here are Newspaper Carrier Day, which was September 4th, Beard Day, International Bacon Day, and International Talk Like a Pirate Day. And the toys inside for my cats have to do with those holidays. So there's so much in here. Let's just grab a few things here. Oh my god, the first one are little mustaches. This is Mad Cat Crazy for Catnip Meow Stashes. So it has catnip and silver wine filled, or what? But look how funny these are. So these are for Beard Day. Beard Day was September 5th. You guys, Emmy, I have toys for you. Look it. I wish they liked to be on screen. Look it, this is for you. Do you smell it? Here, let me go. I'm gonna give her a mustache. You want a little mustache, my little baby? Here you go. Let's give her one, so cute. Oh, she's sniffing it and rubbing her head on it. Sorry, I would pick her up, but she'd just run away. They don't like to be in front of the lights and everything. The next one is also by Mad Cat Crazy for Catnip, and this is Bacon Me Crazy Kicker, and this is one of those that makes noise. My cats love these. So I'm guessing this is for the Bacon Day, right? Wasn't that one of the holidays? Yeah. The Bacon Kicker catnip toy. They will love this, I know that for sure. Next up, I think this is one of those bags that you use for like shopping and stuff, like an eco-friendly reusable bag, and this is the outside. How cute is this? Perfect for me. Unless I'm wrong, but that's what it looks like. Yeah, it is. Oh, and this is a huge one too. Oh my god, I can put like all my groceries in here. This is awesome. I love it. So cute. Oh my, I'm so excited. The last thing, oh my, I've been feeling like my cats are bored and I may be like sad, you know, so I have been wanting to get them stuff to entertain them, and this should be perfect. This is Again by Mad Cat, Crazy for Catnip, Cat Crinkle Tunnel. So this is a Wild and Wacky Cat Crinkle Play Tunnel in Jumpin' Jaws. Like, look at it, it's like a shark. Sorry, it's really reflective. But it says on the back that these cat tunnels are sure to drive cats crazy. These super silly tunnels have fun and whimsical designs with multiple entrances for even more play action. Great for active cats that love to run, pounce, and explore. Each tunnel includes a dangling toy to bat and hunt and are filled with enticing crinkle. Cats go mad for Mad Cat. I can't wait to get this set up. Oh my god, this is great. It says it's great for active playtime. Oh, and if you're curious, it's 38 inches by 10 inches. And it has enticing crinkle, creates fun sounds while cats play. Oh, Emmy's playing on the ground right now. You guys, I'm gonna have to take some videos or like photos later so you can see. But I have a feeling they're gonna love this. I mean, Emmy loves that little stash she's playing with right now. I think Archer's out on the lanai, so I'm gonna go get this set up, have some fun with my cats. Thank you so much for sending this to me, Unboxing the Bazaar. I think this is great. So we got some catnip toys, that bag for me, and this is probably the most exciting. I think they'll really like this. When Fiona and Archer were like little kittens, I had something like this, but it's been a while. So I think this is great. Again, their company will be linked down below. Thank you again for sending this to me. Thank you guys for being here and unboxing it with me. And thank you so much to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below. One of the perks is that we have bi-weekly live streams. It's super fun. We get to chit chat, get to know each other better, and there's always some giveaways. So I would absolutely love it if you joined and support the channel that way so I can get to know you better. But if not, it's okay. I understand times are hard now. Just by being here and watching, you are supporting our channel, and I appreciate you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much again for being here. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Are you so happy playing with your new mustache? Where is it? Kind of looks like poop. Hi. Do you like it? Yeah? Oh, you're so cute. Whoa. So all these videos are going to be Archer because he has to play with everything first. Did you like the bacon toy too? Are you a happy cat? Are you so happy? Hey, baby. Isn't she so cute?